welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new in here, then hi, my name is Ayushi Das. I make some videos on fashion, makeup and skincare right here on YouTube. So as you can read from the title, today's video is all about looking cute while you're running late. We all want to look cute, right? But we are lazy at the same time. So I have got some tips and tricks for you to look cute while you're running late. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. So let's start with our makeup. First, I've already cleansed my face, applied moisturizer and the sunscreen. Now I am applying a primer because I cannot do without a primer, guys. I have a really oily face, so I have to apply a primer. So I'm applying it on my nose, on the forehead, a little bit on the chin and on my eyelids, and that's about it. I'm gonna rub it on my face, keep it on for 5 minutes. Now I'll go ahead with the Insight Cosmetics Concealer Foundation because it is a foundation and a concealer, so it will conceal my dark circles or any dark patches that I have on my skin, and it is really lightweight, so I don't have to worry about the patchiness on my skin, and also my face doesn't look cakey at the end of the day. I'm using a shade similar to my skin tone, so make sure you use a shade similar to my skin tone. As you can see, it is a light coverage foundation concealer. So I'm done. Now I'll use a compact powder to set it on the place. I'm showing it in the video, so it is taking a while. Easily do these steps in less than 5 minutes. So as you can see, I'm setting my concealer on the place and a little bit on the forehead, and yeah, we are done. Now I'll go on with a blush. I'm taking a tint actually because it will not look so much on the skin, and I can work easily with this. I can build it up, I can build it down. This is by Face Shop, and I'll use it little bit on the lips as well, so the color stays. Now I'm using a mascara to just open up my eyes a little bit. Now I'm using a Maybelline lipstick in the shade Nude Nuance, one of my favorite shades. Okay, so we are almost done with our makeup. I forgot to apply some kajal on the eyes. So after we are done with the lips, we'll apply some kajal on the eyes as well. Also, I'm applying some liquid highlighter. This is by Swiss Beauty. This is actually a primer and illuminating primer, but I'm using it as a highlighter because it gives a natural glow to your face. You will see as I'm blending it, you'll see a natural glow on my face, and the highlighter doesn't show at all. So I love this highlighter for my daily use. Now I am going in with the kajal. I'll just apply a little bit on the outer corner of my eyes. So we are done with our makeup now. I personally love this makeup look because I can carry it off anywhere and everywhere, and it looks so natural and so subtle. You cannot tell I have done any makeup. So let's go on with some hairstyles. So I have really simple hairstyles I do on a daily basis when I'm getting late or I'm not getting late, because I don't do really complicated hairstyles. So here is the one. I have applied a banana clip, and then I go on with some flakes and all. And for this I have taken a bow hair clip, and for the third one I'll do a half updo just like this. Just make sure you take a cute scrunchie so it looks cute, and also you can take off some flakes from here and there to frame your face. You can also try some hairstyles with hair bands and all. They also look cute. I think bow looks cute a lot. So you can try some hairstyles with them. I personally don't do a lot of hairstyles, so these are the 3. So let's go on with the outfits. For the first outfit, I have taken a really cool t-shirt. I love black t-shirts, so here is a black one, and they go on with denims really well. And for the bottom, I have taken a denim skirt, and I'm really trying hard to show my sneakers in this video, so you can figure it out. I've worn a black t-shirt, then a denim skirt, and a half updo hairstyle with some sneakers. You can also take a sling bag, a backpack. To be really honest, I forgot here. I think this outfit is giving me really cool girl vibes and those college vibes, and also it is really comfortable for summers, and you can carry it off anywhere and everywhere because it is classy and it is cool at the same time. And also you can wear black to look slim, just a tip. Now for the second outfit, I've paired a black crop top. This is from Meesho with some denim jeans. These are denim tight jeans. You can also wear loose jeans. And I've paired it with a boots, pointed boots. Also taken a sling bag that looks like a Bagweight bag, so it is comfortable to take things with you. And there is a golden earring. I love hoop earrings because they go on with everything so well. And the banana clip pony. I think this outfit looks so classy and so, sophisticated and all. This gives me really stylish girl blogger vibes. And the makeup should be so subtle so that you don't go overboard with everything. Now for the third outfit, I've taken a really easy breezy maxi dress. Bought it from Sarojini a year ago, I think, a year or 2. And the bag is a boho bag, so it is giving me really boho girl vibes. And you can pair it with a chappal or some flip-flop, so it will be really comfortable to wear anytime and every time, and you will look stylish at the same time. You can also take those floral maxi dresses because they are also really cool and really comfortable. I personally like this trips one. So yeah, we are done. I really hope you found this video interesting and useful. And yeah guys, so I have my own brand, Stylemazing by Madanshi on Instagram. We have the store on Instagram right now. We don't have a website, so you can check our store on Instagram. We also make customized clothes. So if you have got any design in mind and you cannot find it affordable at any place, please feel free to contact us on Instagram. You can directly DM us. I'll leave a link to my Instagram store in the description box below. So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon, so every time I post a video you get notified. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.